Here in Astara, the border between Iran and Azerbaijan, soldiers are waiting for people to arrive. As you can see, they are welcomed with food and water before they go on and travel to their country of residence. Now, what we know so far is that over 60 Azerbaijanis have crossed through, over 50 foreign nationals, including people from Poland, Italy, France, Saudi Arabia and the UAE. Foreign nationals who leave Iran must get something called an evacuation code before they leave, and that message is not getting through to all, apparently. Officials here say that they're expecting more people to come over the coming days, and they are ready and willing to facilitate.
Yani tabii bir savaş hali söz konusu bölgede. İnsanlar telaşlı, panik haldeler. Herkes sığınaklara geçmeye çalışıyor. Çıkabilenler de, imkanı olanlar da ülkeyi terk etmeye çalışıyorlar. Bu şekilde tabii kötü bir durum var yani.
What's the mood in Iran? What's the mood?
Well, I wasn't long enough to assess the mood, but I think you can anticipate how the mood is like. I mean, people are afraid and terrified, I think.
The Azerbaijani Foreign Ministry has advised its citizens to avoid travel to Iran and encourage those living in Iran to leave.
Tehrandan gəlirəm, amma ondan qabaq atışma olmuşdu da. Belə də şükür Allah yenə gəldi, öz torpağımıza çatdıq. Əsas odur ki, sağ-salamatıq. Prosta sadəcə olaraq ki, biz 4-5 günlük qayıtmışıq. Bu gün mənim biletim vardı bu günə gəlməyə. Artıq qalası 4-üm, ona görə də qayıtdım dala. Şükür Allah, torpağımızda çox gözəl. Oradan da çox rahat keçdik, burada da rahat qarşıladılar.
It's unknown at present when the flow of people will stop at the Astara border. Numbers will be dependent on the developing situation in Iran.